everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 651 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out what I think might be one of the most beautiful lipsticks I'm ever getting to try out. And I'm saying that based on the packaging, but then the color is also so gorgeous, so it could just be all around one of the most beautiful lipsticks I'll ever wear. I mean, that's setting my expectations very high. But this is the Belle in Argent Auteur Creme lip color in the shade Smoking on Screen. And look at this. This is so beautiful, the packaging. So this has a retail value of $26, but I got it in my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and that box alone cost $25, and I already got some really great products from it. So I got such a great deal on this. If you haven't seen my unboxing yet of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I will have that video linked down below. So this brand is cruelty free and vegan. It's also infused with argan oil and jojoba oil, which is going to be so nice for my dry lips to help nourish them. And okay, this looks so beautiful, and it looks like it would be a very deep, dark, vampy shade. But then let me go ahead and swatch it and you'll see, oh my gosh, a beautiful, almost like a magenta plum type shade. It says they describe it as a deep berry shade with a blue-red undertones. But I don't feel like it's that deep of a shade. I mean, I guess we'll see how it looks when I apply it to my lips, which I'm just gonna go right ahead and do that. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy and so pigmented. I just need one light swipe of this across my lips to get that full, beautiful color. Like, it's so even and opaque right away. And I'm very into this shade. Seeing how it kind of took my bland makeup look to the next level so quickly and easily. Like, it's such a pop, but very wearable and complimentary, which I wouldn't have chosen this shade like on my own because I wouldn't have thought that it would look so wearable, which I love that about Ipsy. It's like they send me shades that I wouldn't necessarily choose on my own, but then I end up loving. I love this color. I love this formula. I love this packaging. So this isn't supposed to be like a long-lasting transfer-proof lipstick, but I am going to do a kiss test because I'm curious how the transfer is. Such a beautiful kiss mark. And it's still really intact. Like, there's a little bit of fading, but it's such a pigmented color that I think it pretty much still looks perfect. And this just kind of has that cream finish where it's not super matte, it's not super shiny, it's a nice in-between, but very hydrating on my dry lips. My lips look nice and smooth. It's not clinging to any of the dry patches on my lips. It's also not getting on my teeth either, which that's always nice. But yay, I really like this. It makes me just want to try out more shades of this lipstick and other products from this brand, Belle in Argent. I'm definitely not pronouncing that correctly, but I've never heard of them before. But now I really want to try out all of their different products. So if you've tried any of their products before and you have any recommendations, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. I am so excited to continue wearing this lipstick. I seriously feel so pretty in this shade, and I'm so excited that I have it in my collection. And seriously, it's thanks to Ipsy, because I probably wouldn't spend $26 on a lipstick on my own. Sometimes it just goes to show, like, this is such a great formula, and this is a case where I really do feel like you're getting what you paid for. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.